Good day everyone, this is Jen Francis here, Jen Francis Okeke. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to delete a Facebook page. Just in case maybe you have a page, it's of no use to you again, you just want to delete the page. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So we're going to open the Facebook app. For that, we're going to open the Facebook app. So here we are on the Facebook app now. So I want you to go and click here. Let me show you. Click here. It's going to open the menu. Then click here. So you can select the page that you want to delete. Okay, so I want to delete this page. So you're switching to the page now. It's loading. Okay. So when network is poor. Okay, now so I want to go to the menu again, which is there. Click on it. You are going to see settings here. Click on it. Then on the search bar, type delete. Is loading. Click on delete page and continue. Okay, now you now select the reason why you don't want to use the page again. So you can just select any of these. So I've just selected one of it. It's loading. Continue. So here you have to enter your Facebook password for you to be able to delete the page. So I'm going to enter mine now to delete the page. And click on continue. Since delete Jen Francis Okeke's page and information, and you click on continue. Delete this page, click on delete page. And now we have successfully deleted that page. Now it's taking us back to my main account. So guys, this is the end of the video. I would love you to like and subscribe to this channel if you love this kind of content. See you guys in my next video.